I don't know if someone can hear me. Um, I'm currently live on YouTube. Let me check if I can hear myself on YouTube as well. So those who are with me on YouTube, you should be able to like. Okay, someone say you can hear me directly. Let me check if I can hear myself. Um, okay. This time will come when I will start buying my traders cars. Um, Buying them expensive luxury items. I won't say they won't have their own. They will definitely have their own. Where we'll go on family and maybe boyfriend and girlfriend vacation. Those who doesn't have family go with their girlfriends. Because the model we are using now is powerful. It's very, very powerful. And I really want to work with more people. This model have taken almost 3 years to develop, but people want to understand. Just like what I'm doing now. I made a post as traders needed. Everybody moved into claim that they can trade, but I can only say that more than I'm more than only two people, only two person. I won't say more than like about two person is just or able to even subscribe. But sometimes people will look as if they're interested, but when the real deal is done, they could come and participate. You see that some of them can't even do anything. It's always good we keep building ourselves, you good qualities and create value to ourselves, and the people will see us valuable as well. And and they also live ready. Don't get ready. One thing about me is that I live ready. That's one thing I learned when I used to go to church. My pastor told me, live ready. Don't get ready. The business model I'm using to drive, I learned it by myself. I developed it by myself. Sent proposal to many brokers 3 years ago to work with that model. They refuse because they think that it cannot drive the market. And I send it to another broker, a very one shiny broker like that does not even have left or right. And the broker accepted the model and we started using it. Now, we have used it for, let's say, since after the pandemic, Avatrade have bought that model. It's as simple as that. The same model I was last time, that was 2021, driving along Lekki. I got a call from a girl. She told me she's from Cyprus, probably from I think an Israeli citizen who live in Cyprus wanted to show me about is it deeply trade something like that software that she developed, their company developed that could trade automatically on it. I was interested about it, but just because of the broker who keep like sending those proposals that they didn't want it. But one particular broker bought the idea and it's making way. Now that is the concept. You don't need to like be doing whatever everybody is doing. It doesn't make you special. You need to do one thing that makes you like unique from another person, and that one become your real, your true, authentic. It can even though somebody copied it, it cannot be as original as you because the vibe is inside. So the model is good and it's perfectly working. This morning, around 10 or 11 a.m., we closed one of our trades our trading volume escalated to $2 million plus. Just idea and a model. And the way we are talking going this year, we may be able to hit $100 million volume. It's kind of model. Now that model is a model that will allow traders like you, all of us, to be part of the game and make the real money instead of chasing brokers with your $200. I'm not saying you're broke, and don't get me wrong. Like chasing retail brokers looking for where to put money, buying Profem account wanted to help. But Profem, the way I see Profem now, it may not help. Yeah, I've studied the Profem model of business and everything. The way I'm seeing Profem, they may not help. They may not help the system. Uh, I don't think they will help. Maybe they may help a little few. So instead of moving all these things, you could just like participate in a very trading. My own philosophy of business is all about making money. It's not all about dragging. You know what I mean? You want to claim you work with a broker and you don't have a substance. I had that rubbish. That was why when I was an IB, I left it. It's not what I want. That was not what I had before I came. So if it's not about making money, count me out. That is my own philosophy. If I want us to make money, let us know whether we are making money. When we lose money, we know that we are losing money. Check it now. Simple as that. If I trade and lose, I know I have lost. Trade and gain, I know I have gained. Only today, my boys who trade option from US, because I don't trade, I've stopped trading option, but I'm gonna go back. These guys are telling me yesterday. They showed me the trade of their trade yesterday, but they showed me today. About three of their trade, it's 76%, 82%, and the other one, I think 73%. So these guys are driving Ferrari, different kind of cars. So don't never you think that people are not making money. It's just that the environment where you are, the kind of product available and the way it's suit to you, they do not put the structure or the model of where to favor you as a trader. That's why you keep frustrated. But that's why you're frustrated, like you're frustrated here, like and the system is frustrating you because the model was not for you. It's not the real model. If you're in a good model where the business is very, very decent and open model system, broker chop, you chop, trader chop, investor chop, everybody chop, everybody will be fine. Last, you just like be grooving. When you see a trader, you look as if it's a trader. When you see a broker, you look like a broker. You see an investor, you look at it as like an investor. Then everything will balance. Not when you see a broker drive good cars, go on vacation, live well, But why traders can't even sleep because they have not been able to attain financial freedom. So that is the model I'm bringing to guys who want to be able to make the real money and live their dream life. It may not be rich, like what I mean, but you're making money. You could afford to go to Dubai, go to maybe US could be far because of even if you have visa to US, go to Dubai, go to US, go around. If you like flexing, you could flex, go anywhere you want to go, eat what you want to eat, be able to buy land, build house. It may not be big house, at least you are okay. You know what I mean? I mean you could afford the basic things. So for the past 10 to 15 years of my life, yeah, my 1 month earning buys me my car. That was since 2011. My 1 month earning always buy me my car. Even now the car has gone up. It's also time to like step up my game. If I want to buy a car, just minimum 1 month, maximum 2 months. I just buy another car. So I mean that's the kind of life you should live. You may not be too rich, but you are just okay. Then when I used to pay rent, then my monthly earning 2 months earning buy me my just I get in my rent, and that was why I used to live in a big house since I can afford it. So it may not be rich, but you're okay. That is the kind of system you need to build. You need this kind of life you need to live as a trader. That's also the kind of system that need to come on board, where you be okay. The model we have now is okay, where you could be able to trade real money from real investor, not pro firm account. That pro firm cannot help. Some of you it's become like a drug, so addicted to it. I have someone that have bought more than 700 pro firm accounts. I know him from Indonesia. He keep buying, but he's a Nigerian guy living in Indonesia. It's like addictive something like you keep buying. It looks cheap. You put the one of $100, you buy, you blow that one, you put another one, you keep buying, it become cheap. They make your mind great. I mean, your head swell big like this. They say you use $200, but get $50,000 account. Your head is big. Someone posted to me that he has an account. I say, what account? He say, I asked him what capital you can. He said, I control $50,000. You want to trade? That's okay. It was later discovered it's a problem account. I told him this thing can't work. Because I'm not saying the money is not good for you, but this condition they give to you, it cannot even work with your strategy. You're learning how to trade and you're already buying an account. You want to be stricter. This platform should be for professional traders who can be able to maintain those things. It's not you. So if you're a trader, it is from now that we will know who's a trader. Now the Ponzi scheme has gone down. See, this is time for you to take over the market. Now that brokers are struggling, then it's time for you to take over. Because Profem disrupted the retail brokerage a lot, almost like 60 or 40% of operation of retail brokers went down. Their revenue dropped because people were now preferring to go to Profem, buy account and trade than to put $100, $200. And because of the retail brokers were leveraging on that, like create a very massive market and probably put people on non-market platform like dealing this pattern of business where they structure their business so where when you lose money they take that money Since almost everybody have 200, 200, 500, 400, 200, 1000 highest, it's easier for them to like do anything. So they can start giving you bonus, 500% bonus, 300% bonus, your credit. But in the real game, it may think that they are for you, why they are against you. That model cannot work for you if you want to be a trader. The way you heard it that I want come to learn how to trade. So you need to get a model that will work, a model that is effective, a model that will make you be your money. You may not have all the money, but you can be your money. So you do whatever thing you want to do, whatever thing your lifestyle could be. I mean, like you could work up in a month, you could see that you have made some money, and that money you have made can be able to afford you something. Or you just have a passive income where money comes in as much as you want. That's why I started like, let me know if I can recruit through me. Some traders, let's say if I have like five or six, I'm not looking for much people, five or six more people. I got somebody from Abuja, two people from Abuja. Um, they came through my LinkedIn. The guy is okay. He's into real estate and he's into trading. Then I got one person from Enugu, but I've not collected his contact and I can't remember his name again. That's my problem. I met him here. The way he spoke to me and showed me some of the things. Then so basically, I have only three person upon all these things I'm preaching. Only three. Some people cannot even complete their registration. Now, this business model is something that can allow you come in. I work with institutions, even in Nigeria. I've partnered with a lot of institutions. Last time I used to stay around Lagos Commodity and Future Exchange, and I've been a facilitator to Chartered Institute of Nigeria Stockbrokers. I've already know a lot of dealing firms who has money to control the fund, and they can be able to pull off capital. They just want a system that works. If the system works, you are the one that is going to be part of that working system. Leaves the street alone, according to big guys who has the money. Deposit there, you have peace of mind. You be on money. $1,000 won't be a problem. Just like what you just have to do, look for opportunity to get 1,000. You're out of the market. $10,000 won't be a problem and everything. But my disappointment is that when you post these things, people keep like boarding into your DM and you start looking for value, try to know what what. At the end of this guy can't even know what I mean. Do something. So I started asking me for flip phone money. People just can't give you money to come out to try to you do it test wrong. It doesn't work that way. I was trying to say, okay, if you know how to trade, look at this broker. It's a good broker. Connect your account with them. Or if you already one person told me that he has account, I said no problem. Since I have account with them, the trade that account, let me know that account. So let us check how you have been trading it before, and if it has not been funded, let's say how you have been trading it. So if it's okay, even that broker will be through us will be assigning big fund for you. It's not profit because the business have changed. I trade with company that has like that. One of the companies I trade because it's not only one company I trade with. I trade with about five different companies, and it's not profit big companies. So they have traders all over the globe, both weak traders and strong traders. So, and if you meet them, like now, Dubai Expo is coming. If you meet them, guy, okay, this is who we are. Look at Sam. This is what we can offer you. Oh, this is the broker you use. We also have the same broker. Immediately, on a connect and start like doing a business, increasing volume. He doesn't need to know whether you're authentic or who you are. As long as you are in that environment, you are on that broker. They already know the broker. Nothing like let's check your background. Let's check your what do you call it? Your due diligence. No, it's like when I tell you I work with Barclays Bank. You don't need anything to argue. If I tell you now I work with Barclays Bank, you don't need anything to argue with me. That is the structure we are bringing in, where you could be able to deal with the real market participant. When I trade on exchange in Nigeria, I trade with the real market party. I trade in the real market. I still see how it works. When I trade on across the border derivative, I trade with the real pay guys who execute on the proper market. I don't like to trade with people who like what I mean. I don't know how to describe them. That is what you need as a trader to be able to like scale through, uh, be actually trade the way the US Wall Street traders trade and see how they are trading and follow the same system and become a very good and profitable trader. And you can also build a successful trading career through it. Let me check my message before this morning. Yes, this is the one we traded. Let me connect this thing. I give you as market open on Sunday. I gave you one expo that the gap on US 500 is gonna close. That's indices, and oil is gonna rise again. It will rise more. Maybe I will have to buy more of oil today. Uh, I think those on my YouTube. You see what I'm doing. So now I can tell you that the US 500 that gap immediately covered. But I told you anytime the market opens and you see a gap, it's an opportunity for you to make money through that market. So, but before I go into that, the purpose of another purpose of being here now is to share some experience with you. Like let's know whether we can identify any trading opportunity. Uh, then you can also use it to trade. I don't know how many people who are trading. I know who has someone, Papi Chokolo 70. I think you chatted with today. Why I didn't continue with your conversation is that you work with a broker. So there's definitely going to be conflict of interest. So there's no need. Once somebody work with a broker, of course, you know the system now. You will definitely want to represent one particular interest against another. So that's why I don't bother. Because even in my company, when I was in Nigeria, I don't even employ traders direct. People, those who work, I like to, if I want to employ admin or those big staff, I usually like to employ people who doesn't have trading experience, so that they could just stay and work. Because in our office in Port Harcourt, I taught everybody trading, including our secretary. Then my personal assistants always go with me. It was so funny that our secretary, they were paying him to spy they were paying my probably like tipping him some money to be checking anytime we are placing trade. So if when we place trade, that guy will place and send probably a chat to the secretary in the office that we just buy what US. Immediately that guy will buy. And I didn't know that they all have trading accounts. I didn't know at all. So when the market is bad and we are losing money, so you see that some they don't even secretary will be acting funny. I don't know that probably she's losing acting funny, moving up and down, like coming to the big office and go try to know, maybe hear what you are saying, whether we are trying to talk whether the market will revive. It was later I discovered that so you guys are trading. So that's why sometimes I don't like to work internally with people who want to trade. It will conflict the experience. So it will conflict interest. They will leave what they came for because to pursue money. That's why Papi Chilo, I didn't want to continue because you obviously work with a broker and the broker is seriously driving in Nigeria. Probably want to get more investors and stuff like that. So if you come in, it will definitely conflict. You are probably will conflict with them. Me personally, I'm more concerned of making money. More than five brokers talk to me today. No, not up to five. One, two, three, about four. Four brokers spoke with me today. Two had that call with me, including let me. I don't know if I should mention with name. Let me mention because it's a popular broker, including Rock Forest. I just give this on the thing. So, as I was saying, we all spoke about on different business model that can drive. So I give them my own advice, the kind of what you're working on, and how it will benefit them and probably their clients. So they were all interested, so happy. They have to call me more than once when we were discussing. That sometimes you guys don't know that most of these brokers will know each other. Like I used to tell them, all the brokers I know, almost all of them in Nigeria, that if you don't know that I know all of them, we always talk. I told them this year that this time should be time of collaboration, not competition. What are you competing? The same MT for everybody's using. It's not the same thing. It's just because of the meta coach remove the logo of this. Okay, like remove their own logo and put their own logo. It's the same market. Some of the brokers in Nigeria, some of them who run pro ECN use almost the same liquidity. Yeah, we have association. of commodity CFD brokers. It was formed in Lagos. I was there when it was formed. We have a WhatsApp group. All the brokers are is there. I know among their directors and their chief marketing officers. We know. We already know. Sometimes we refer each other to different liquidities. This one is good. This one is good. But you people may not maintain that we are enemies. Although sometimes the way they act as if you guys are enemies to each other. No, in abroad they collaborate because they have to be on money, not be pushing money. They have to be on money on top of money. So the money is like liquid, very big money that you can't finish. How much will you chop? Just collect and leave the rest. In the sense that the market is big, people keep making money. Like just trade as much as you can trade. Now, please share your opinion on the market from then onward. If you want me to share my opinion, let me know the market you want me to share. Okay, I think there's no such question here. So the indices just closed. Of course, it closed immediately. The market in the morning, the gap closed, and when I checked it, it was a very good one because it opened with gap and closed. Now later went up. I don't know how many people that traded that market because I said it clearly that the market is most likely going to draw trade. Then we also analyze on Euro USD. That's a Sunday. I thought that Euro USD will drop. I don't know who can get me witness. If you have been on my live analysis on Sunday when the market open, you can let me know. I tell you that Euro USD will drop. And I'm not trying to make math. You can ask anybody who is around me. If I give you 100 trading opportunities, okay, 10 trading opportunities, 7 or 8 will be successful. It's not issue of dragging. Just that the only thing is that it will not work the exact hour you want it because some of you don't have patience. Somebody, one thing somebody cannot tell you in this market is tell you the exact hour or day or time you will gain profit. No, but the person can tell you the direction. So direction they may expect the market to gain in a day, but it may not. It may take 1 week or two to gain, but it will still end up going that same direction. That's how market goes on with. Something may delay it, but it will definitely go there. Like the way Nigeria currency is going. Who can tell me? So if you're a trader, you know the platform. Can you tell me where Nigerian currency is going? I mean, so okay, let's say it's going under support using support and resistance analysis. Nigeria have Nigerian currency has broken all the resistance. Yeah, it has broken resistance one. Assuming we have 10 resistance, I think it must have broken almost 10 resistance. Let's say Naira versus pounds. It has broken all the resistance we have. Maybe we have to create another resistance formula for Naira and dollar. So because it has broken. So it's on a serious highway. And we don't even know where it's running to. We don't know. Maybe we have to introduce another currency and leave that one. We don't know where it's running to. And we are not even running the same capacity with the Naira. Now that is the same thing. So there are some certain things you will know. You know that so let's say for example now you know that Naira is running on a high volatile speed. In fact, it's running more than cryptocurrency. Then and someone telling you that Naira will get to 2,000 and you go and buy Naira. If it really happen now, don't just be angry because it will definitely get there. It may just take some time to get there. That's what I'm trying to explain. Now, there are some things you will see. It the person will know that this market is going in this direction. For example, I'm trying to believe that oil will rise, but I cannot tell you that it will rise today. The way I'm saying it, it may hit back to 80 or 81. So on that note, then, but if let's say you buy oil today and it didn't hit that amount, that price this week, it shouldn't. That one doesn't mean that thing will not hit because you check the forecast. That's what the economic forecast. When you check it, you try to know that this thing, the way I'm seeing this market is going this direction. So that is what makes you a good trader. Someone say I trade okay, and he did say, oh yeah, good, because we did euro JBP then euro JBP. Um, which broker? Where did I open that market then? Okay, let me use this broker. Euro JBP. We did it then, and let me open the chart. I don't trade forex, so that's why if I make forex analysis, I close it later. I don't trade forex. It's not that it's a bad thing, but I don't usually trade it like that. In our trading firm, we have a division of labor, so not everybody specialize in everything. So we have people who trade indices, and they are very much good. The people we still want to recruit now want to add indices traders. So when they come in, we just want them to focus on indices. And me trading give you more money than IB. Those who are looking for IBs, in case you're a brokerage dealer here, I like to be a trader. It give you money. What I'm just looking for is to get more capital and trade. Then it give me more money. So if you're a young guy, you want to be a trader, don't be discouraged now. Just learn much about the business. If you want to focus on global normal financial market, if you want to be focused on cryptocurrency or stock, don't deter with maybe the expenses you're having now with it, with their trading. You definitely hit it. Okay, we analyze euro JPY then to be sell at market open. I think it dropped. I can't even know when this is it there. Yeah, kind of it dropped to it dropped to 157,161. Yeah, and the market opened around 158. So it drops to more than almost like 260 262 pips. So imagine you have okay, short is of under short time trading, you have about maybe one standard lot size here, giving you like $10. So you have cash out $2,600 or $2,000 based on when you exist. Then we did the same analysis on Euro USD about Euro USD dropping. Then as the market opened, let me go on daily chart. At opened, then it fluctuates a little bit. Later came down to 1.09. But there's one secret I want to tell you guys concerning Euro USD. Mm, okay, I've seen it. So that secret is on cryptocurrency secret. Who can tell me crypto analysis here? What is inverted head and shoulder head? I never heard that one before. Can we legal? What is shoulder head? Is it like inverted hammer? Some of these technical terminologies could differ from each other. I know about inverted hammer. That is USD let me check USD okay, shoulder head. Maybe it could be what we call shadow, long shadow. And the other one too. We have down shadow too, like upper shadow and lower shadow. So the market is hectic or hectic in nature. So it will not really. If for me, you shouldn't trade USD because it's at pivot point level. Because it's almost where at the same place where it has been for almost like 5 days, like the same level, 144. So even as he went up, he came back to 144. As he went down, he also came up to the same 144. It's not a very good trade. Let me show you here what I mean. Let me show you the reason. I'm being on technical analysis now. For example, this is the JPY. The market the market move here. Sorry, the market move here, go up here, then came down and also close at the same place that it opened. Then this one opened. Okay, let's say the one that has more significant movement. This one also opened within the same place. It opened here, then also came down, also have gone back to the same place where it opened. So it is at the center. But I would have said buying, I would have suggested more buying strength, but I'm scared of this thing. I'm scared of this thing. So if somebody places a buy here, if you want to play 50-50, you place a buy here. If you place a buy here, you may target 146 or 145. Probably if you are going on a long move, then you could like target up to 147, because if you broke this particular place, it's definitely going to like continue. But even if you want me to vote on this market, I will even rather vote for buyers than sell. But something is holding me there, an economic issue. For you to move out of this place, there must be another reaction that will move the market out, which we may not know if you're going to move it more than all. But based on the chart pattern, there are chances of this market like going up this way. Mm. There are more chances. I don't know if I'm talking nonsense. Um, Let me check another one. So, someone say I trade crypto. Now, let me tell you something concerning the cryptocurrency now. Can you tell me what? Do you know one crypto? Those who trade crypto, let me show you. One thing that some crypto guys look out for. I will use it to analyze Euro USD. I did this a year ago. I told a lot of people in my crypto group. During the Russian and the Ukraine crisis, I also did the same analysis. Because what makes you a trader is not being on the platform all the time, is ability to identify potential or top trading opportunities. These are things that give you money. Like my friend, the Bitcoin chief, he told me, I was it last year, that Bitcoin is going to rise this year. He told me I'm almost like 6 months ago. He called me by phone and told me that. Bitcoin chief. I don't know who people that used to follow him. I told him I'm always scared of crypto. So now Bitcoin is 46,000. That's not the important fundamental of crypto. You're talking about something related to regulation law related to cryptocurrency, the bank secrecy. No, no. Crypto is not yet like illegal asset. So people who trade on crypto are mostly on the world. No. You say I would say BTC respect round numbers. I'm just talking about cryptocurrency for like kind of in general. Who can tell me one of the things cryptocurrency traders look out for? Okay, no one has been able to explain to me. Okay, let me say this. No. Okay, okay. SEC just approved ETF. Maybe although they said Bitcoin will hit up to $1 million per one. Not sentiment. SEC just approved ETF. So yeah, it may move Bitcoin, to be honest. That will also be one of the reasons why the price get to 46, and it will get to 60,000 or more. I don't know. So people who invest in crypto, they may invest more in crypto. Crypto typically consider factor like market trend, news. No, there's no news in crypto. And it's all and technical analysis indicator. You pay attention to price movement, trade volume. No, and overall market. Okay, although you tried anyway, additionally, you tried. You tried. Who's made this one? Just get it, but there's no central news in crypto. That's why it's difficult to use fundamental to analyze it, because news does not capture it. It's not really easily controlled by physical people. It's controlled by people of underworld. You may not know the real crypto guys, so stuff like that. That's also one of the reasons why it become too risky. I don't know who's who. Okay, to save your time, because it's midnight there. Uh, One thing cryptocurrency traders look for, they look for potential coin, one that have potentiality of rising. Probably they check white papers on who people who are behind the coin. Secondly, they check the price of that coin. If it's very low and has potential, they buy as much quantity as possible. That time it is low. That's what cryptocurrency traders look out for. They look out for coins that are very low, that have potentials. So what give them money is the price they are buying and the price they are selling. So when they see that a coin is going to rise, and that coin may be selling as maybe 5 cents, they may per one coin, and they thinking that this coin is going to hit like 50 cents or 100 or $1. The person may use like maybe $1,000 buys much quantity of that coin. That coin can hit $1. Then the person is a millionaire. But if it didn't hit, probably he didn't lose much money. So it is the most important thing they look out for is price and potentiality. That's the most important thing. Now, in the forex market, then euro USD came down to 0.9. Like for you to get €1, you have to pay zero or less than $1 to get euro because of crisis. And they are most liquid, one of the most liquid traded currency, and very much liquid in asset. They had potentiality to rise. The price was so low, I mean less than €1 per dollar. And I'm not all guys who trade crypto and those who trade forex. So guys, use the crypto analysis to buy this coin, this euro USD. The price is very low. But you don't even need any indicator. Just buy the coin. So just buy the currency because the price, what give you money is the price you bought and the price you sold. The market is zero that time. Look at where the market is or was. Let me show you. The market was here around here 0.9. Then the price also came down more to 0.95. I did that in my group. I did that even as a voice call and video and send. Now, what happened later? The market has gone up to 17,341 pips because I am on a monthly chart, and that is within a space of how many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 1 year and 2 months. Within 1 year and 2 months, it has gone 17,000 pips. So assuming you are trading with assuming you are a position trader and you are trading with let's say $20 movement times 17,000. So that will be $340,000 you are holding. But let's say, assuming some of us has more money that is trading only $1 movement times 17,000. So you'll be having like $17,000 obviously profit. And that $1 movement could just be account of $1,000. You put it within 12 months. So you come back and say 17,000. That is how this business is. It's not something that you struggle on yourself with. So you look for potential pair and buy that and buy it and immediately allow you to trade. So assuming you are having some big guys who have like almost like $50 movement, you multiply $50 times 17,000, then you're already $850,000. And remember, this market has more liquidity than crypto. Now, that is it. If you check now, you will see that even the Euro USD, let me go back to like daily chart. It is still trending within Okay, within the same lower price, but not as low as that time because of the price had hit $1, but the price is still very much low for those of us who want to trade euro for a long time. For example, now if this market move off from this place, because it's at the pivot point level, and this pivot point level means is basically at the middle range, like kind of indecision. What the kind of trading I like to do, I like to buy. I like to buy here or probably buy here. Then I will say here, like even at this market is now. So I'm even like to like maybe support a buying trend here. Then I put my stop loss within this point. And, because this is obviously like a pivot point level on a technical analysis. Here could be maybe the first resistance, here could be second resistance, here could be maybe third resistance. Yeah, but so either probably you allow it to move out of this place, maybe hit this support, hit this first resistance here, or if you come back to maybe second resistance, then you could now place another buy. Sorry, first support, second support, and the last support. Then here now could be maybe first resistance is here, obviously. First resistance is here, and second one is most likely going to be here. If you calculate it, it's most likely going to be here, and the last one could be here or here, obviously. So on that note, if this market move off and hit this first resistance, and you check that the strength of the market is not strong, you may obviously go back to your sell, then put your stop loss at maybe at the last resistance here. You will have more chance of being on the safer side and chance of getting the market. Do you think gold will sell because it's already high? Yeah, gold. We analyzed gold last week. No, on Sunday. Yes, gold will definitely drop because the price is high. It's at the selling side. There's nothing much about gold. Gold will definitely drop. The price to buy gold is between this price. I always buy gold when gold is around 1817. Then say when it's around 2000, 21. Kind of it just I told you one secret about gold on Sunday, and it was a very insightful secret. See, as a trader, you don't need plenty of complex analysis and complex whatever. So you just need to know the prices people are buying these things and the prices that you can sell, and be able to make your money from it. It's 1 o'clock, and people are already snoring. Okay, guys, I came a little bit late. Um, But I think we have shared value today, something that is very much okay. For those of us who are interested in joining our team, I will see like check my chat and be able to help you those who want to onboard. So I'm basically trying to know if I can recruit additional traders who could work with this year. Then work together. We are working with a lot of investors now. I want to make sure we bring more real investors and give them the structure we want, so we can have enough fund to trade and be able to like making money. In when we are explain our risk to them, what they expecting and everything, I think they will be fine with us. Thank you and good night. It's already midnight. Please, so just go and sleep. Thank you so much.